Hello everyone, welcome back again. My name is Jesse, and in this wonderful and exciting tutorial, we're trying to see how to mirror a GitHub repository to DagsHub. So DagsHub is a platform where people build data science projects. So in case you have some project on GitHub and then you want to be able to make a copy on DagsHub that you can benefit from the features of DagsHub, you can use this particular approach. So let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. So the basic idea behind mirroring is that I have my code on my local system, and I want to make sure that anytime I push my code to GitHub, I also have a copy of the code on DagsHub in which I can benefit from the experiment tracking, the different features of DagsHub, right? So let's see, how do you do that? So we're trying to see how to do a simple mirroring of your repository on GitHub to DagsHub, right? This is going to be a push mirror. So let's see an example of it. So I'll go back again to my GitHub. So this is a simple example of what I did previously. So this is my DagsHub, but I'm mirroring my GitHub, this repository. So let's see an example. So first of all, I'll go back to my GitHub. I'm going to create a simple project, create a simple repository, and I will use it for this example. So create a new repository, right? So I'm going to call it as Python project, right? So Python, we can just give it any name. So Python data science project, something like that. Perfect, right? Python data science project. It's better you make it like this. Yep, something like this, right? So this is a simple project we have created, right? Python data science project, and then I can just go back and give a simple example. So a simple ML DS project, right? Perfect. So let's make it private, public, and then we initialize with the README, and then we will just create this repository. Hope everybody can see it well. Hope it's not too small. Okay, so you're creating a project on GitHub, but we'll be mirroring it to DagsHub, right? Perfect. So I'm going to copy this one here, make a clone of this, right? And I'm going to go back to my workspace and work on it. Come back to my workspace. I'm going to make a copy. So clone this, right? So I'm going to make a clone of this particular repository. Perfect. So let's move into my Python. I have a lot of projects there. Python data science. Yep. So there's nothing here, right? Only my README. So if I open this one, you're going to see the README. Perfect. If I go back and I check it out, you can see that the simple ML project, right? So what I want to do is that I want to push the code. So this is mirror tutorial. Something like that, right? So I want to push this particular code that I've done to GitHub. I'm pushing to GitHub, but I want it to also reflect on DagsHub later. So how do I do that? So first of all, I'll just go back again to my GitHub repository here that I have. Then I'll copy this particular URL. Copy this one here. Then I'll go back to my DagsHub. And now my DagsHub account. You must create an account. It's a free service. Very nice platform. Then when you go there, just go back to this particular place, create. So if I go to create, we see that we have the option of making a repository. We have another option of creating a migration, right? So that's what we're trying to use. So if I go back here, new repository, new migration. So I click on the new migration, right? So I click on the new migration. It's going to redirect me to this same URL, this particular URL. So DagsHub.com/repo/migrate, right? That's the same thing it's going to redirect me to. So that I've read that particular directory, DagsHub.com/repo/migrate. Then I'm going to paste in my URL, the one I copied from GitHub, this particular URL, right? I'll copy it and then I'll paste it here, right? Perfect. You can specify the authorization and all of these things, but let's move on and let's give it a name. So I'm going to give it a name. So let's give it almost the same name as we had previously. So let's go to Python data science project, something like that. Perfect. And I'll make it public, right? You can also give a simple description, and then don't forget to specify that this is a mirror, right? So this repository will be a mirror. You should click on this. It's very important. Then I'll click on this, then I'll go on migrate repository. So it's going to migrate the repository from GitHub, right, as you are seeing from here, to DagsHub. So So it takes some time for it to do. And as you can see, it said JCharisTech Python data science project. It has been mirrored from this particular project from GitHub, and it's going to give you the sync option. So with this sync, if I click on it, it's going to automatically sync it. You can also go to the settings and then specify the different time you want to sync this particular repository. And as you can see from here, this is our README. There's nothing on the README, just like the same thing on the one on GitHub. There's not a lot of things, but we're doing a push mirror in which I'll push the code from my local system to GitHub, and it's automatically going to reflect on DagsHub by clicking on the sync button. So let's go back and check it out and see that this is my README. If I check the README, see that it's a simple ML data science project, right? As you can see. So if I go back again to my workspace here, this is what was written on it, a mirror project. So let's add something. So pushing GitHub to DagsHub, right? Something like that. So that is something very simple. So I'm going to push this particular code to DagsHub, to GitHub, and then DagsHub. I'll come back again. If I go back to my git status, I'm going to see that I have some changes here. So I'm going to push this one. So git add my README, then git commit. Let's go to updated README, and then git push. That's something very simple. So this allows you to benefit from GitHub and then DagsHub at the same time. So let's make a push. I'll put in my current credentials and then my password. So if I push it, now it has pushed perfectly there, right? I've pushed the code. So the code is going to reflect on GitHub. So if I go back to my GitHub here, so this was the README, this was the initial one, as you can see, right? Now if I refresh this one, you're going to see that it's going to update this particular one, as you can see. And at the same time, if I go back to DagsHub and I click on the sync button, it's also going to show the new changes. You can see that now it is there, right? So mirror tutorial, so push mirror of GitHub to DagsHub. If I go back to my DagsHub, right, you are going to see that it is not this is the old one, but if I click on the sync button, it's going to automatically sync it up, and this is going to change from this one to the initial one. So sync in progress, as you can see. So this is a push mirror, right? So you're going to see the result of it here. Perfect. So my internet is slow, but you're going to see the result, right? Perfect. So that is how to do a simple push mirror, right? Or a simple mirroring of your GitHub repository to DagsHub to benefit from the benefits of DagsHub, right? To benefit from the benefits or the features of DagsHub. So the simplest approach is very simple. You have your code here on your laptop, you push it to GitHub, then you also make a copy, right? You go to this particular URL, you copy the URL from GitHub into this particular location, then now you have a copy of your GitHub repository on DagsHub. And in case you push code here, you can just click on the sync to synchronize, right? You can also go back again to the settings for your DagsHub and specify the time that you want to sync up. So I go to the settings, I can see how to modify the sync interval, right? The time it takes. So I go back here, you can see that we have my settings, and inside the settings we have the option of specifying the mirror interval time, and then you can even change the mirror address, and you can also add some very cool stuff to it. So you can even delete it in case you don't want it, right? And do some other cool stuff. So thank you for watching the tutorial. So it's very simple. The only thing you need to do is just to clone the particular repository, right? Or not clone, but copy the URL to this particular place, then you get it here. So anytime I push code to GitHub, click on the sync button, it should automatically synchronize, right? So thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial. Stay blessed. Bye.